Namaskar. Welcome to Garze Marathi Global. I am here today to share with you the news about a very important initiative, very effective, very useful initiative that Garze Marathi Global has undertaken. Garze Marathi Global is a platform for non-resident Marathi and back to motherland Marathi who value knowledge, education, and entrepreneurship. GMG has four main objectives: networking, mentoring, giving back to society and to our roots, and to celebrate success of fellow Marathis. I am Anand Ganu, founder president of Garze Marathi Global, a non-profit organization registered in California, USA, and in Maharashtra, India. I am here to tell you about our initiative GMG Career Forum Germany. GMG Career Forum Germany is formed to guide those from Maharashtra who wish to come to Germany for education, those who have come to Germany and are in need of support, and those who are about to finish the education or have finished the education in Germany and are entering into job market and are needing some guidance for what next. Very enthusiastic, experienced, smart, and young GMG members from Germany have taken the lead in starting this initiative. The team is of diverse individuals, students, industry leaders, cultural experts, finance experts, entrepreneurs, professionals, and academics. Though there will be never a single path and definite formula for success, we have tried to put together an effort that will help you to navigate this path a bit easily. We have divided our initiative into three major categories: academics, career development, and entrepreneurship, freelancing included. We will be making available a plethora of contents via static and dynamic resources such as webinars, panel discussions, expert webinar sessions, interactive online workshops, static resources such as PDFs, consolidated links, curated resources, etc. Everything on Garze Marathi is of high value and is free of cost to our community. GMG expects nothing from those who wish to be benefited from this excellent platform. But as Vinda Karandikar has said, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे. All that we expect from you is to give forward when you are able to do so. For more information and detailed information or information about any of our volunteers or to connect with any of our volunteer experts, please contact Anand Ganu on the numbers given below. Thank you very much. I hope I have made myself very clear. Welcome to Garze Marathi Career Guidance Platform, Garze Marathi Career Forum, Germany. Thank you very much.